Hello, awesome artists. We have been talking about lines and shapes in art class. We looked at different kinds of shapes, including geometric shapes, which are shapes that have names like circle, square, triangle, rectangle. And we also looked at organic shapes. Organic shapes are shapes from nature or made-up shapes like a blob. We also looked at different kinds of lines like zigzag and curvy, spiral line. So I want you to think about all these shapes from last week. We worked on practicing drawing these different lines and shapes to help us start thinking about how we could make a robot. So think back to the different examples we looked at, and I want you to think about how you could draw a robot using these shapes. You can use crayons, colored pencils, markers, whatever you have available. So I'm going to just start off by drawing the head of my robot. Maybe your robot will have a specific job it does, and you could do something related to that. So I'm using geometric shapes, squares, and then maybe I'll do like a long rectangle for my robot mouth. And there's no wrong way to do it. You can do it however you want. This is just an example. You could do a circle body shape, an oval, whatever works for you. And I think I'm going to add some feet to my robot. And then maybe on the body of the robot, I'll draw different like buttons, because robots have buttons on them. And I'm going to take the time to color in my robot as well. So think about geometric shapes, think about organic shapes, think about the lines we talked about when you're drawing your robot. I'm gonna do one more quick example. Maybe I'll do an oval shape for the head. Maybe I wanna do kind of an organic shape for the body, a made up shape for this robot. Maybe some curvy lines for the arms of this robot. Again, it's all up to you how you want to do your robot. Maybe add some buttons. So think about the shapes, think about the lines that we talked about, and of course, have fun.